This is Unit 4, Day 3, and this problem is example 3 on the back part of the notes, and we are naming equations. So this is a new concept. We originally would actually graph the equation on the axes, but now we are taking the line and the lines, both of them, and we are making the equation. So we're not given the equations. That's the difference. When we have a system of equations, that means that there are two lines on one coordinate plane that we're trying to find a solution for. So in this case, we're given the solution. Okay, that's where the lines intersect. And we need to figure out what the equations are. So we're going to name the system of equations. So name each line in y equals mx plus b form, and then check the solution, which you will do on your own. So taking a look at the first line, it's the yellow one. We're going to pick 2 points that are easy points. Easy points are ones that hit, the line, or 1, 1 is an easy point. Okay, nothing that's kind of in between 2 points, so that would be way too difficult. So we're looking at the yellow line, and we have 2 points. There's 0, 3 and 3, 0. So when we're doing the rise over the run, and we are thinking about the difference, so subtraction of the two, we're saying 0 minus 3 and 3 minus 0. Okay, that is going to give us our m, or our slope. So 0 minus 3 is negative 3, and 3 minus 0 is a positive 3. So we have negative 3 over 3. And we need to simplify this. Okay, we're going to reduce it, and negative 3 over 3 is equal to negative 1. So we know our m is negative 1. So now we just need our b. And our b is our y-intercept. So where does the line hit the y-axis? Okay, in this case, you'll see that it's at 3. Okay, it's right here. So now we have all of the pieces for our yellow line. If we're putting it in y equals mx plus b form, we're saying y equals mx, so negative 1x, and then my b plus 3. Now, you can drop this 1x, or the negative 1, I'm sorry, and just make it negative x. So y equals negative x plus 3. So that's the first line. Now we're going to look at the second line, and we're going to pick 2 of these points. I'm going to pick this point and this point. I'm just going to draw that so I remember. Okay, and with these points, I have negative 3, negative 2, and 0, negative 1. Okay, so this is going to give me an m of negative 1, negative 1, negative 3, and a b where it hits the y-axis right here, a b of negative 1. Now we want to go ahead with this m, and we want to put it into simplest form. So negative 1 over negative 3 is really the same thing as 1 over 3, right? So now we have all the pieces, and we can say that y equals 1/3 x plus negative 1. And now instead of writing that with the plus negative 1, we're going to take that out and change our plus to a minus, so y equals 1/3 x minus 1. So now we have both of our equations. This is line 1. This is line 2. And now we can go ahead and substitute the answer in to check these. You're going to find the answer, the solution, right here where the dots, or where the lines intersect, where these dots overlap. So you would take that. Our solution is 3, 0. And you would substitute those values. This is x, this is y. Substitute those values into this equation and that equation. And it should check out. And then you're done with the problem.